A great way to enhance any room is to install some natural stone veneer. Not only is it easy to install, but you can feel good about installing a natural and green product. Today we're working on a project in an older home where the homeowner has chosen to install a high-efficiency wood-burning fireplace. You can see the installation is complete, and we've clad the walls in cement board in preparation for the RealStone panels to be installed. There are many advantages to using RealStone systems. For starters, all of our products have been ASTM tested to maintain the highest level of quality in the industry. We also keep a tight tolerance on our size, color, weight, and gauge of all of our products. Alright, so let's get started. The next order of progress is to do our calculations to figure out how much stone we're going to need. To make it even easier, RealStone has added a calculation worksheet on our website at RealStoneSystems.com. Once we have that accomplished, then we can gather up our tools and begin the project. Shown here from left to right are some of the tools necessary to complete the project. We've got a level, a heavy-duty drill with a mortar bit, a tape measure, a notch trowel, a V-trowel, a rubber mallet, a standard hammer, a screw and screw guns for extra bracing and support, and a wet saw for doing our cuts. The next step in our installation process is to begin mixing up our mortar. The ideal consistency of mortar for this application is a thick paste, similar to peanut butter. Using a 1/4 inch notch trowel, spread an even layer of mortar over your substrate. Then, holding your notch trowel at about a 45-degree angle, key the grooves into the mortar, allowing this to dry for 8 to 12 hours. Cut your hearth pieces to fit using your wet saw. To create your mortar bed, use a 1/2 by 1/2 inch notch trowel. Gently lay your stone into position and adjust accordingly, using a rubber mallet to tap the stone into place. Be sure to check your work with a level and make any adjustments as needed. Make any necessary cuts with your wet saw. First, we begin with the corner piece. RealStone corners come pre-built in 2-fingered parts. Remember to wipe each piece with a damp cloth. Back butter each piece completely to ensure full coverage. Press the stone onto the wall and tap gently into place using your fist or a mallet. Here we are using the finished end pieces to create a continuous outside corner. Be sure to wipe off any excess mortar. Continue installing the panels, taking care to stagger your joints for a seamless installation. Once the stone is all installed on your fireplace, it is a good idea to give it a good wash with some warm soapy water and a bristle brush. Once it dries, then you can apply some color enhancer or a sealer should you decide to. As you can see, the project is finished and the homeowner is thrilled with the results and warmth that RealStone has brought to their new room. You too can enjoy the same success with your RealStone project.